Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. DJI Mini 2 is hands down my favorite travel drone of the bunch. Released in November 2020, which is already 2 generations older than the new Mini drone, the DJI Mini 2 still is one of the most lightweight and compact drones out there, with an extremely light body of only 249 grams, and a size that is smaller than an iPhone Pro Max when folded for storage. The DJI Mini 2 comes with a 12MP camera sensor capable of shooting 4K videos at 100 megabits per second, a quick shot feature which allows you to automatically perform complex drone maneuvers with the touch of a button, and a 10 km transmission range with DJI's own OcuSync 2.0 technology. Despite being more than 3 years old, the drone is still one of the best value drones out there, with the price sitting at only $499, which is the cheapest drone on this list. I personally carry the DJI Mini 2 everywhere I go when I travel. The drone is so small and compact that I do not mind having it in my backpack at all times, and I was able to fly it extremely quickly, in like 2 minutes, and quite discreetly due to its small form factor. If you are like me, who enjoys backpacking and hiking in the backcountry, then the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect drone for you. To pick one up, be sure to click the link below to find the cheapest price for the DJI Mini 2. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the successor of the DJI Mini 3 that comes with a set of pro features that the DJI Mini 3 lacks, such as the omnidirection object avoidance and tracking system. It retains its best advantage, the weight of less than 250 grams, which allows you to bypass most drone registration laws and fly without having to register. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you can shoot 48MP RAW photos as well as 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video and even 4K per 120 frames per second for slow motion shots. It has a true vertical mode which, if you are an avid Instagram and TikTok user, you are going to love it. It also comes with a new and improved transmission range, allowing you to control the drone as far as 20 kilometers, whereas the DJI Mini 3 can only go at 10 kilometers. You also have the choice to pick between a regular battery, which has a flight time of 34 minutes, or an intelligent battery, which has a flight time of over 45 minutes, with a weight slightly exceeding 250 grams, which is pretty impressive. Combining all of these features with its new active tracking and object avoidance system, you have yourself one of the best, if not the perfect travel drones you can buy right now. If you are looking for a lightweight and compact drone like the DJI Mini 2 and you don't mind paying a bit more for advanced features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the best drone to buy. Hit the link below to check the latest price. Number 3. DJI Air 3. DJI Air 3 is another great option from DJI if you are looking for a drone with a better camera setup, flight time, and more functions, and don't mind carrying a drone that is a bit bigger and heavier than the DJI Mini series. The DJI Air 3 is better in every way when compared to the DJI Mini 4 except for its price, size, and weight. The drone comes equipped with 2 wide and medium telecameras, allowing you to shoot excellent 48MP images as well as 4K/60p HDR videos, straight out of the camera. It can fly for over 41 minutes and has an advanced omnidirectional object avoidance system allowing you to fly safely. Best of all, it has all the cool intelligence features like master shots, active track, and time-lapse/hyperlapse that will allow you to shoot epic drone videos without having to control the drone yourself. The active track feature is definitely a great feature to have as a traveler, as it will allow you to go hiking and interact with the landscape while having your drone automatically follow you as you move around the environment. I always recommend buying a combo pack when you are buying a DJI drone because it offers better value for your money. The combo pack includes a protective bag, extra propellers, spare batteries, a charger, and more, all provided in the box. To get a cheaper price, make sure to click the link below and check the recent price of the DJI Air 3. Number 4. Parrot Anafi. Parrot is one of the first drone manufacturing companies that followed DJI's footsteps and produced one of the first compact consumer drones in the market. The Parrot Anafi, their latest compact drone, provides you with some really interesting options in the travel drone market. The Parrot Anafi drone comes with an excellent Sony CMOS sensor that allows for amazingly clear image capture of up to 21 MP. It also captures incredible 4K footage with a resolution of 4096 by 2160 at 100 megabits per second. Additionally, it has a vertical 180 degrees angle, which no other drones have. Furthermore, it has one of the easiest to use navigation apps available, allowing you to perform cool maneuvers quickly. It also has a 4 km transmission range, 25 minutes maximum flight time per one battery, and a price of around $699. What makes the Parrot Anafi so different is the form factor that allows you to fold it into a more vertically narrow body, allowing you to fit it in your backpack easily. The Parrot Anafi is somewhere in between the DJI Mini 2 and the DJI Mavic Air 2. If you are looking for a drone that is more capable than the DJI Mini 2 but costs less than $900, then this is the one to get. Number 5. Autel EVO II. Autel EVO II is another great drone that has one of the best cameras available. It is the first foldable compact drone that can shoot 8K video footage and capture up to 48 MP pictures. It also shoots 120 FPS slow-motion videos at 2.7K resolution and many other features that will assist you in shooting the most cinematic travel footage imaginable. The drone also comes with 12 obstacle avoidance cameras, a pinpoint tracking system, a maximum flight time of 40 minutes, which is the highest out of all the drones on this list, and around 9 km transmission range, which ticks all the boxes. With such a unique feature list like the 8K capability and long flight time, you would think that the Autel EVO II must be out of your price range. But surprisingly, the drone starts at only $1,269, and you have the option to upgrade to the EVO II Pro, which comes with a 1-inch sensor camera, same as the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, for around $1,525. All in all, if you are looking for an extremely highly capable drone that is compact and weighs around 2.5 kilograms, then the Autel EVO II drone is definitely worth your consideration. For the cheapest price available, be sure to check the latest price with the link below.